I lie to you guys not. I do this every freaking Sunday. Like this, this is me every Sunday drinking tea. I literally used to like go to school in the morning like with tea instead of coffee. Now I wake up too early and I'm always too tired to like wake up and enjoy tea. So Sundays is the day that I do that. And then when I got older and I could like drink coffee, I realized I hate coffee. So I really love tea after I figured out that I couldn't drink coffee. So today's tea is provided by Sips By. It's a monthly tea subscription. They send you new tea in the mail every month. It's pretty dope. The tea I'm drinking today is white peach flavored. I love like fruit flavored tea. But I'm a little picky, honestly. Not too fruity. Like I love lemon. I love peach tea. Watermelon tea is okay. But like not like berry tea. Like that's a little bit too far for me. I know that sounds really bougie. I just have like my little thermos thing instead of a regular mug because I'm about to go get my nails done. So I want to take my tea with me on the go. But yeah, I've tried some of their teas that they sent me in this month's box. Delicious. If you guys are interested in ordering, I have a code to get you some money off in my description box. And I said to you guys before, I'm never gonna promote or endorse or put my name next to anything that I don't actually believe in, anything I like don't actually use. So yeah. Now I am someone, and I know a lot of tea drinkers like to not do this. I'm someone who likes to put a bunch of like sugar in my tea. I lie to you guys not. I do this every freaking Sunday. Like this is me every Sunday drinking tea. I have to. I just love tea so much that I can't do it on the other days of the week. So Saturdays sometimes and Sundays definitely. Oh, I'm seeping me a tea bag. All right, I've got my tea in my mug. I just grabbed a bag of chips to snack on, and let's go to the nail salon. Am I the only dog mom that like feels bad when we have to do things and you can't take your dog? It's like, I know you want to come. I'm sorry. Okay, nail reveal. This is like this. It looks more like straight up pink on camera. Actually, it is pretty straight on pink. It's this hot pink. It's so cute. I just got a fill and then got this nail fixed. I am in love, obsessed with them. I feel the most myself in pink nails. This is my 3rd or 4th time straight getting pink nails. I know that's crazy, but that's who I am. And then my toes are just the same color. So I'm going to give myself some lunch and then I'll be back and we'll do teeth whitening and skincare. Can I help you, sir? Okay, my couch is not made up, so excuse me for that. But we are going to be doing some teeth whitening. This one is from LA Smile Shop. It's just a teeth whitening kit. Comes with the teeth whitening gel and then the mouth insert pieces, obviously. I have used this once before and I did like the results, so this will be my 2nd time using this. If you want to see my very first time using it, you can head over to my my Instagram makeover video. That's the first time I used it. All right, so the hardest part about this, like it's easy to use, straightforward, but the hardest part about it for me is that you have to hold it in your mouth for 10 minutes. It's almost impossible to keep me still for 10 minutes. Hey, don't lick that. Let's go ahead and squeeze the gel in. Ah! So, I just whitened my teeth, as you guys saw. And now they're whiter because that's what happens when you whiten your teeth. Oh, you're all on my face right now. What you want from me? What do you want from me, huh? Okay, you just want to kiss me. All right, now that our teeth are whitened, we're going to go tackle this hair, exfoliate our skin, and then do our face skincare routine. So we're gonna do hair, body, face. Yeah, that's all. Let's head upstairs. Hi, hello, welcome to my shower. I saw the funniest meme the other day that was about like girls with curly hair, and it said once my hair goes up into a ponytail, there's no going back. And it's so true because I have my hair up and like look, I literally have to pull my hair and stretch it downward to get it to like fall down. All right, it's me coming at you in a voiceover. Need I remind you that I am not a hair YouTuber? So first I just wet my hair to get it wet, rinse the product out, and then I used my coconut milk shampoo by Cream of Nature. It is my favorite shampoo ever. Sometimes I shampoo my hair twice. This time I only did it once because my hair didn't need it twice. I usually would shampoo it twice if my hair was like real dirty south, you know. Now I'm taking the same brand Cream of Nature, but I'm taking the detangling conditioner. The reason I use a detangling conditioner is because I detangle my hair while it's conditioning. I know, rocket science. I'm covering my face because if you have natural hair, you know the faces you make when you're detangling your hair. I look so ugly. But yeah, I detangle my hair and then I leave the conditioner in until I am getting out of the shower. So I just finger rake my hair to get all the like dead hair out, I guess, for lack of a better term. And then we are going to move on to our body, okay? I'm going to be taking my exfoliating gloves. They are the light of my body. And just exfoliating with whatever you use, a body scrub, bar soap. I am a bar soap kind of girl. So yeah, just exfoliating my whole body, including my feet, obviously. And then I'm going to shave, but I don't feel the need to do that on camera. Okay, bye. Okay, so you guys saw me wash, condition, detangle my hair, and ooh, still stuff coming out. And believe it or not, after my showers, I take a bath. I wash out my tub after washing my hair and after shaving and all that. I wash out my tub and I sit down and I take a bath. And it's like, yo, that's a lot of water. I know. But the reason I do it is because when I don't go through all this, I bathe every night anyway. So it truly is routine. I take at least 2 baths a day. So it truly is like routine for me to be bathing every night. Not only is it routine, but you saw that a shower is work. But because my body, my hair was already clean and everything, a bath is when you just get to sit down and be still. And as a person that suffers from anxiety, sitting down and being still in water is like the biggest thing to me, which is why I bathe every day. Now we're going to put a leave-in conditioner on our hair. This one is by Aunt Jackie's, my absolute favorite natural hair brand. It's called Quench, and it's a moisture intensive leave-in conditioner, which I need because my curls be dry. I'm just finger combing my hair because it's already like trying to tangle up again. So we don't want that to happen. This is like the most unfiltered you guys have ever seen me and probably will ever see me. My skin is already clear of makeup. I'm just gonna take a wet washcloth, one more like damp. Just wipe my face off. Usually I would start by exfoliating, but I haven't worn makeup today. Usually I exfoliate even when I don't wear makeup, but my skin just feels so soft and like supple and clean right now. I don't want to like exfoliate. Is that crazy? Like exfoliating is literally how I start off my routine every single night. But right now I just don't really need to exfoliate my skin for like the first time ever. So I think for the very first time, I'm gonna skip exfoliating. All right, my derma roller is clean now. Let's just go to town on our face. Derma rolling helps promote collagen, get rid of dark marks, acne marks, and helps even texture. It also does a bunch of other stuff. So if you're interested and you don't know the benefits of derma rolling, you're thinking about trying it, I suggest it. Google it for yourself, see what it will do for you specifically. Y'all see my dark under eyes? It's so sad. That's what happens when you choose to stay up late watching Catfish every night instead of just going to sleep. It's all self-inflicted, honestly. I like do it to myself and then complain. If you don't know, a derma roller is just a bunch of little needles. See, just a bunch of tiny little needles that go into your skin. There are different lengths that give you different intensity, like 0.25 millimeters, 0.50 millimeters of a needle, length that will give you different intensities of results, if that makes sense. But no, it really does not hurt. I mean, you feel like the tiny little pricks, like you obviously, because you're rolling a needle into your skin, but it really doesn't hurt. It just kind of pricks you. To make sure I get it over these acne scars that I gave myself just last week, and they're already fading. Literally, I gave myself these 2 acne scars last week. They're already going away. I'm so happy. I put my derm roller back in its case after every single use, because these are the needles that roll into my skin. I don't want anything gross to touch them or get on them, or any cleaning products, gym and Clorox deep in my pores. No, not with it. Next, I'm taking a vitamin C serum, and we're just gonna squirt that on our finger. If y'all want a complete, full, in-depth version of my skincare routine, because I do have one up and I just posted one recently, go ahead and check that out on my channel. It'll be pretty easy to find. It's just a few videos before this one, actually. Or you can just search in my video skincare routine, watch the most recent one, it'll pop right up. Vitamin C serum is on. And what I like about putting it on after I derma roll is that my pores are already open, so honestly your skin absorbs it so much faster. And then I'm just taking some tea tree oil. Sometimes I do a sheet mask, but I'll probably save that for another night. All right, friends, we pretty much spent our whole day together, just pampering, you know, so much fun. Y'all were with me getting my nails done, drinking my morning tea. We did our hair care routine, skincare routine, exfoliated our bodies. I had so much fun. I had such a good, deeply relaxing day. You guys have no idea how decompressing this feels for me. I'm so happy. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please let me know in the comments below. I had such a good time filming this and pampering myself. I feel so happy about it. So yeah, leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I want.